15 minus z over 4 is equals to 3. Solution. We have 15 minus z divided by 4 equals to 3. Looking at the right hand side, we have 3. We can write 3 as a fraction, and that would be 3 divided by 1. So the next thing for us to do is to what? Cross multiply. By cross multiplying, what do we have? We have 1 times 15 minus z equals to what? 4 times 3. By expanding bracket in the left hand side, 1 times 15, we have 15. 1 times minus z, we have minus z, equals to 4 times 3, that's 12. The next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collecting like terms, we have 15. If we can move 12 to the right and to the left hand side rather, 15 is at the left hand side, so we can move 12 to the left hand side to meet 15. So when you move 12 to the left hand side, we have minus 12. Because you are moving a positive number to the left, it will turn to negative. So we have minus 12. And moving minus z to the right, we have positive z, which is z. When this minus z comes to the right, you have positive z. 15 minus 12, we have 3 equals to z. We can now conclude z equals to 3. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.